Welcome guys to Altrady. Today we are analyzing a crucial moment for Bitcoin. The market may seem boring, but beside the surface many important dynamics are at play. What's happening? What key levels should we be watching? Stick with me because I will explain everything in detail. Okay guys, these are important times for Bitcoin. The market appears flat and dull, but in reality we are still in a retracement phase. Price action remains weak and we are searching for a new low after last week's drop from 88,000. But be careful, there are some key factors to consider. First of all, the monthly close also coincides with the quarterly close, a crucial event marking the start of a new annual cycle for institutional investors. Then we have the FTX repayments, about 10 billion returning to circulation, and the paybacks from major companies like GameStop and Marathon, which could buy up to 15 billions worth of Bitcoin. And as if that weren't enough, on Wednesday, Trump's new tariffs came into effect, bringing extreme volatility across global markets, including crypto. Let's take a look at the price action. In the short term, the situation is still weak. Last week closed with a bearish engulfing candle, completely wiping out the previous rebound. This means demand is still struggling and supply remains dominant. However, pay attention because this week is shaping up better, with the price attempting to recover and close above the midpoint of the previous candle. Now, if we find a higher low and manage to print a higher high, we will have confirmation of a recovery. But if the demand remains weak, we should brace for another test of the local lows around 78,000. And if we lose those levels, well, the next target is in the 72K area, which will represent a 30% retracement from the highs, a typical move for Bitcoin. The key to understanding when the retracement is over and when we can talk about a new uptrend is the 94K area. If we break above that level, well, we enter new territory with price discovery. On the monthly time frame, the close was fairly neutral, a wide price range, but the candle body remained within the previous month shadow. We have seen this setup before. In June 2021, when Bitcoin halted its retracement and then started a bullish push in the following month. The question is, are we in the same scenario or is the downtrend not over yet? The answer will come in the next few days, which is why April is a key month to watch. Now let's talk about seasonality. Historically, the second quarter has been a weak period for Bitcoin. Looking at the past 4 years, we always see the same pattern. A rally in the first quarter, followed by a declines in the second quarter. Will 2025 break this trend, or will history repeat itself once again? April will be crucial in determining that, so keep your eyes on the chart. And finally, an interesting highlight. Have you seen BlackRock's letter? Larry Fink, the CEO, openly spoke about tokenization and as the future of finance, and even suggests Bitcoin could become a global reserve currency, replacing the dollar. This is a huge signal and could have massive implications for the future of the crypto sector. If you have time, I highly recommend reading his letter. It's truly eye-opening. So guys, the market may seem calm, but there is a lot happening beside the surface. April will be a decisive month and we will be here on social media channels to monitor every development. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the analysis, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next updates. Let me know in the comments what you think. Are we close to a reversal, or is the retracement not over yet? See you in the next video, guys. Bye!